Hello guys, how are you doing? Fine. Who said that? You did. This is Priscilla, Ella, Jasmine, Ella, Jasmine, Priscilla, Ella, Jasmine, Ella, Jasmine, Mama. Alright guys, this video is about birds, plants, nature. Alright, this video is about nature. Yes, it's about nature. What? I was just combing my precious hair. Duh. Alright. Let's get on with our video, man. Oh my god, I have pimples. Is that my neck? Alright. Let's get on. Let's get on with our video. Now! These are nature. The green city, Singapore. Singapore is nature. Nature. But India have more nature. Whatever. I don't really like this nature, but I like Indian nature. But most of that, I love my plants. Especially this one. When I touch it, when I smell it, it really sucks. Oh my god. Alright guys, let's get on with our video now. Mama, you are rude to the plants. No, I am not. You dumbhead. Yeah, right. I saw you pouring hot water. Not even warm water, but hot water. To the plant, in the plant, really? That was a medicine. I know what the medicine look like. Okay, since you say so, you are also rude to your mother. Well, at least I'm not rude like you to the plants. Shut up. Don't you mess with me. I don't care. What could possibly happen if I talk to you rudely like you're doing it to the plants? I may slap you and beat you up. Oh really? I don't really care because I have hands too. I can beat you up. I can beat you up too, Mama. That is rude. You said that to your mom. Oh. Sorry, really. It's just that I was angry that you were rude to your plants. Rude to our plants, and you was saying that you'll beat me, and just been a bit angry. But I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that. Maybe I'm the one who's rude to everything. Okay. Oh, it's okay, my lady. It was all my fault. I didn't teach you a good, proper manners. You better say a big sorry to me because I was acting just now. What? You don't mess with me. You know what? I'm not gonna be your child anymore. Who cares about that? What? You're not even acting like a mother. Oh, actually, I adopt you. You're not really my mother. Guess it was nothing. I mean, I shouldn't have talked like that because you're not even my real mom. You're not related to me. I'm just an orphan. Oh, look, my child. I'm really sorry. You are adopted, but I'm really sorry for what I have done. Really, I shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have taught you a bad example. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry to say this, but are you acting? See? You have no trust in your mom. I made you think like that. Oh, I guess it's true. I'm sorry, Mom. It's not really like very... I'm sorry. I should not have said that because of the plants. It's just that I love my friends. The plants are my friends. I really love the plants, really. You are crazy, baby. What? You started again, and I didn't do it. You did it. Okay, let's break up then. It's not anymore. Let's break it up. I don't really want to be your mother anymore. You can't just break up like that. We are related. This is the awful mother in the world ever. Okay, you know what? I'm not your child anymore. Moron. How dare you call me a moron? You are dumbhead. Everything you say won't be truly true. Mama. You know, you're not really a real mama. You know what I'm going to call you right now? You are a pajama mama. Or pajama llama. You better stop. Now, of course, get lost. You are so awful. Missed. Oh, you're not even a mother. You don't even know how to flap. Do you want to get teached from me? I can teach very well. And I can slap whoever I want. Okay? Break up, break up, break up. Break up, mama. Break up, baby. You called me a mama. Get lost. This is so rude. I wish I was the proper mom ever. Anyway, she was the rudest one in the child. She was the rudest child in the world ever. Not me. Not just me. Well, she wasn't really that... No, she was that rude. She was that rude. I love you, my plants. I love you. I love you, nature. I love you. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below. Only good words. Okay guys, bye.